Chengli Group's Commercial Truck Heavy Truck 6*6 Off-Road Chassis Handover and Signing Ceremony for the export of 200 CL2330LDJ Off-Road Chassis on November 9, 2023. Chengli Group held a ceremony where they completed the handover of Chengli Commercial Truck Heavy Truck 6x6 Off-Road Crane and and an agreement on the export of 200 CL2330LDJ off-road chassis. This event marks a further expansion of Chengli Group's influence in the global market, particularly in the Russian market. The 6x6 off-road chassis is specially designed and manufactured by Chengli Commercial Truck for the Russian market. Its strong performance and excellent durability enable it to perform well in harsh environments and complex terrains. The chassis is equipped with a Weikai 460 horsepower National V engine, which provides powerful power output. The cab D916 is well designed, providing a comfortable driving environment. The combination of Changli Gear 12-speed gearbox 12JS200 and 300 8+6 electrophoretic paint double-layer frame makes this vehicle more stable during driving. In addition, the vehicle is equipped with Dongfeng brand 425 85 or 21 tires, which provide good grip on various road surfaces. The design of the axle 6.5 tons, 16 tons, speed ratio 5.73, ensures stability when carrying heavy loads. The design of the wheelbase 4,600 plus 1,350 mm makes this vehicle more stable during driving. Chengli Group's signing of this agreement not only reflects a high level of recognition for their product quality, but also further enhances their influence in the global market. The successful delivery of this 6x6 off-road chassis will undoubtedly lay a solid foundation for Chengli Group's further development in the global market.